Ramos, 27 years old, single, college graduate.
Okay, Emeline, why do you want to work in abroad?
Because I want to earn money for the sake of my family.
Okay, tell me about your experience in taking care of a baby.
I'm not taking care of a baby, but I take care 2 years old above only, ma'am.
Okay, how about elderly?
I take care elderly. I prepare sometimes the food. The elderly ask me to massage, then I'm going to massage. Take care, give their medicine. If they ask me to give their medicine.
Okay, do you know how to cook?
I don't know how to cook Chinese food, but I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food, ma'am.
Okay, so tell me, what is your promise to your future employer?
I promise my future employer to do all my responsibilities, and I'm willing to extend my contract if they're willing to stay with them as long as they want to be.
Okay, Emily, thank you and good luck.